Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making sweet and sour chicken. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 8-ounce can of pineapple chunks drained, 6 tablespoons of ketchup, 6 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 red onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and vegetable oil for frying. Season your chicken with your garlic powder, white pepper, and salt. Now mix until your chicken is evenly coated, then set it aside until later. To make your sweet and sour sauce, add your sugar and rice vinegar to your ketchup. Whisk until well combined, then set it aside until later. To make the batter, combine your flour, baking powder, and cornstarch. Now add your water and egg, then whisk until well combined. Pour your batter over your chicken, then mix until all of your pieces are well coated. Add your oil to your wok, then using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now fry your chicken in small batches for 5 to 7 minutes or until it is golden brown. Remove your chicken from the pan and set it aside until later. After removing most of the oil from your pan, add your peppers and onion and saute for 2 minutes. Now add your pineapple and continue to saute for an additional 2 minutes. Now add your sweet and sour sauce and bring to a light simmer. Return your chicken to the pan and coat with your sauce. After you have coated your chicken, it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. to grasp how to make great food with Steph's name.